Alrighty everybody, we're going to be installing these ghost shadow lights I got off Amazon. Obviously not a sponsorship or anything, so I'm going to let you know if these are crappy. These are going to be going into my BMW 35D. I'm not too sure how to even install these. I'm pretty sure it's going to be pretty fast. I don't know if it's going to be a full video or just the shorts, but we're going to find out. Let's go ahead and find out. Alright, so basically what I understand is it's just this light right here. I got to pop this out, so let's go ahead and try to pop it out. Alright, just like that. It's super easy to pop out. And it's just one little plug, and then we're gonna try and plug in a new one and see if it works. Literally perfect. That's how it's gonna be looking, guys, right there. Alrighty, guys, I thought the rear door, Alrighty, guys, I thought the rear doors had lights, but I guess they don't, which is fine. But look at these front ones. God damn, it's the other side. Straight pimp. Yeah. Alright everybody, that's going to conclude this little short form video. I don't even know what I'm posting this on, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace. What is going on, guys? YCG here, back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing a detail on my 1995 Honda Civic engine bay, so let's get right to it. This is how we're looking right now. Everything looks good. I got my air filter covered. I got my alternator covered, and we're gonna start cleaning everything up. What is going on, guys? YCG family. Today we're gonna be doing a little bit different video. As you can tell by title and thumbnail, we're gonna be detailing KCJ's HQ's inside of his car. It is really bad. My cars, I'll show you right now, my BMW. I just got done cleaning. I clean it like every week. My Civic, my daily, clean it very well as well. He does not take care of his freaking his car. He just left on his motorcycle. There's my bike right there. He went to go do some stuff, but so we're gonna go and we're gonna start cleaning it because obviously I'm charging him. So I'm gonna show you guys the basically the whole thing and do like a time-lapse thing of recording of cleaning this car. I'm gonna show you right now. All right, everyone, this is what we're working with. Look, you got stuff here. It's like it's pretty bad in here. Like, oops, hit my head. Like it's pretty bad. So this is what his car looks like, and I'm gonna be detailing it, and I'm gonna show you what my BMW looks like. This is what my BMW looks like. So take very good care of it. All right, everyone, I have picked up all the trash that I can, so now I'm gonna start vacuuming. I don't know where the heck Caden put my tripod, so sorry guys. This is what you guys got. All right, guys, I don't know what the hell that even is, but look at this shit. Oh my God, this is so bad. Alrighty, you guys, I didn't record much, but this is how we're looking now. Holy cow. The seats are pretty fucked. I couldn't fix them really, but look at that. This thing looks brand spanking new. Perfect? No. A million times better? Most definitely. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe, comment. I'll see you on the next one.